What's up, family? It's your boy. That boy can cook, in the place, in your face. And today, it's football season, y'all. So today, let's do some wings. But not just any old hot wings. Let's do some spicy peanut butter wings. Sounds good. Is good. You know how we do over here. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. And also, I want to give a shout out. Go check out their page, Kingdom Barbecue Catering Service / Mrs. O. Got awesome recipes over there, y'all. Go check her out. Now let's get to these peanut butter hot wings. Yeah. All right, family. Everything you need to make these spicy peanut butter hot wings is right here. All right, my people. Now, this is how we're going to start this thing off. We're going to add everything except the salt and the pepper. That's going to be for our chicken. We're going to add everything into the mixer. Whopper chopper is what I call it. But you get the picture, you know what I'm saying. So let's get everything in here. There we go. Just make sure it's coming out of there. As such. There we go. Let's just get it all in there. Make sure you get your honey. I should have used a spatula. I wasn't thinking. Get this peanut butter in there. And if you like peanut butter a lot, you can add more. And you give it a really peanut buttery flavor. But this recipe right here balance out perfect, so that's how we're gonna do it. All right, we have everything in here. Now let's get it mixed. As you can see, we have everything in there. Now, put the lid on this boil. All right, man, I'm pretty sure. Yes. And you just look at that. Get a taste of it. Ooh, that's it right there, y'all. That's it right there. That's that peanut butter hot sauce. Hot wings. Not hot sauce, hot wings. Look at that. Just scrape down the edges, make sure we get all of that goodness. Man, I'm telling you, very flavorful. You get the nuttiness from the peanut butter. You get the kick from the sriracha at the end. And it all just blends in wonderfully, y'all. All right, that was the hard part. Now let's get to the easy part. Now for the easy part, y'all. All right, we got our salt. Let's just get that in there. And we have our pepper. Get that in there. Just salt and pepper, just to wake up the flavor of the chicken, y'all. Let's just make sure they all coated and mixed up. As such. And I think I want to put a little kick to it. So I'm going to add maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon. Right, as you can see, I added cayenne pepper. So let's just get that mixed in there. And I have my, I fried a turkey over the holidays, over Thanksgiving, you guys. So I am using my turkey fryer as my deep fryer for my wings to deep fry. And you guys, I wanted to do a video with fried turkey and some other holiday recipes, but I had a house full of people and it just wasn't feasible. So stick with me. We're gonna get to all of that. I got some awesome holiday recipes. Just wait and see, y'all. Stick with me. All right, family. Sorry about the view, but this turkey fry is so big. I don't know how else to show you guys. I'm just gonna drop it in there, and then we're gonna go back to it. So let's get our chicken in here. All right, now y'all, as you can see, our chicken is done beautifully. Check that out. I'm just getting them out of the turkey fry right here. All righty, our wings. Let's just get it on there. Get them a good mix. Look at that. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Here we go, y'all. Beautiful. Looks good. Is good. That's it, that's all. Very simple, very flavorful, very satisfying. I got raised about these when I first made them, so I'm pretty sure you and your people will like them. Hit me in the comments, let me know how it turned out for you guys if you guys decide to try it. Also, it's football season, y'all. Hit me in the comments and let me know your favorite team. I'll share mine with y'all if y'all share yours with me. All right now, family. That boy can cook. Look at that. Yeah. All right, my family. Let's see what we made. I told y'all I was gonna plate it up. Make it look pretty. Let's see what we made. Ah, look at that. Full of flavor. Full of flavor. Delicious flavor, that is. You know what we gotta do. On the petite, baby. That's a good chicken wing, y'all. Man, that's a good chicken wing. Excuse me. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe so that boy can cook, y'all. Awesome recipes and great ideas. Don't forget, hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. That boy can cook, y'all. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone.